dookie. I am culturing cells, and it's a little stressful because the fume hood makes a lot of noise and everything needs to be sterile. But I think something is super interesting, and it's that the media that we use. So the cells have to eat something. We have to grow them in some form of media, and it looks like this. So this like reddish orangey stuff is the food, and in this aqueous solution there are lots and lots of cells. So if I were to guess which one has more cells, I would be able to more accurately give a guess because of the color of the media, because when it turns this orangish color, there's an indicator that sort of consumption essentially, and so there are more cells in that one, versus this is how the media looks initially. There's likely not going to be much growing, or not to say that there's nothing growing, but comparatively we can say that that one is going to have a higher density of cells than that guy. So let's use the microscope and see if we're right, and see if we can find anything here. Okay, so all right, so right away, look at that. Lots and lots of cells, and they're super dense. So you see some sparse areas, but for the most part, hello? They're in there. I'm making an educational video, if you don't mind. Sorry, I've been mentored to smoke it. Okay. Alright, now, compared to the other batch, almost everywhere you scan across, you can see that both they don't clump together as well, and also you have more isolated little blebs. And these little blebs are indications that the cells are actually undergoing apoptosis. So if you were to zoom in, now this is a little bit tricky here, but if you were to zoom in, you can see some of these blebs on the screen. So they lose their shape and they lose their, like a large part of their morphology, and they start to look at the beginning stages of apoptosis, which is